Hi, this is Ari with the Zengo Wallet Challenge. Today, we're sharing the first hint associated with recovering the wallet that currently has 1 Bitcoin. Very soon, we'll have 5 Bitcoin, and ultimately, we'll be securing the 10 Bitcoin and the Pudgy Penguin NFT. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of trying to recover this actual wallet and sharing the first hint associated with the wallet. So let's get started. One thing to note, whatever I can see on my device, you can see on the screen right next to me. So the first thing that we're going to do is to download the Zengo app, because that's what you would do if you were trying to recover your Zengo wallet on a normal day. So I'm going to navigate to the App Store, and I already have it set, but you would search for Zengo Wallet, and then you'll download the wallet, and it should only take a few moments to do so. Once you download the wallet onto your device, the next step is to start with wallet recovery. And the first thing that you need for that is the email address. And that's what we're sharing today, the email address that's associated with this challenge. So let's open up our Zengo wallet, tap on continue, and we're going to put in the email, which is zengowalletchallenge@mailinator.com. So let me do that. Zengo Wallet Challenge at Mailinator. Now the reason why we decided to use Mailinator instead of something like Gmail is because there's no private password associated with this email address. That means that no one can go in, change the password, and then block anybody else from being able to access this account. Now before I tap on continue, which would start the process, I'm actually going to go to the Mailinator website. It's just mailinator.com, and you can see at the top of the screen a place to enter the public Mailinator inbox. And this is where I'll put in Zengo Wallet Challenge. I'm going to tap enter, and right now I don't expect that we're going to see anything. It is empty. Now once folks are starting to do this, there might be other emails in here. It's important that you click on or tap on the email that's connected to your device. Otherwise, the link won't actually work. And we recognize that that might be an issue, but there's no way around it during this campaign. So now I'm going to tap on continue, verify your email. Check your email on this device and tap on tap to confirm button. So let's go back to Mailinator, and it looks like the email has already arrived. I'm going to open this email, and I'm going to tap to confirm. It should open the Zengo app again, and it's asking me just to secure the account, so I'm enabling Face ID, and it says recover your account. The email zengowalletchallenge.com, zengowalletchallenge@mailinator.com, is associated with an existing account that was backed up. Excellent, so it looks like we are through the first part of this process. I'm going to tap on Get Started and see what happens next. The backup file not found on iCloud Drive. Right, so there are 3 factors associated with recovering a Zengo wallet. The first is your email address. The second is the Zengo recovery file. It's not a seed phrase, it's not a private key, it's not a secret share, but it is critical for the wallet recovery process. And I think we're going to end it there today. Best of luck as you continue with this competition. If you have any questions, remember, go to zengo.com/blog, where we have a lot of information about the competition. And you can also email us at securebydefault@zengo.com if you'd like to ask specific questions. So again, best of luck and stay Zen.